everyone, my name is Mansi Sanjay Kumar Suryavanshi and my today's topic is the reproductive system. And there are two systems, male and female reproductive system. In male reproductive system, there are two types, external genital organ and the internal genital organ. In external genital organ, there are two types, penis and scrotum. The penis is cylindrical and it contains the spongy tissue that becomes turgid and erect when filled with the blood. And the scrotum, it is a pouch of the skin from the lower part of the abdominal wall. And the scrotum keeps the taste at the temperature slightly cooler than the body temperature. And the internal genital organ, in that the testes, seminal vesicles and epididymis and vas deferens and prostate gland etc. are involved. The testes are the two oval shape or male organ and that produces sperm and hormone testosterone. And the testes is externally covered by the fibrous connective tissues. And the vas deferens, these are a pair of the tubular structure, and each vas deferens is about 40 centimeter long and they are into the abdominal cavity. Epididymis, these are the pair of C-shape and C-shape structure and lying along the posterior border of the each testis. And there are three regions, upper, middle and the inner. And then urethra. The male urethra provides a common pathway for the flow of urine and secretion of the male reproductive organs called semen, and it includes the three parts. The first part is surrounded by the prostate gland and it is also called as a prostate urethra and it carries urine only. And the second part of the membrane urethra, and which is situated between the end of the prostate gland and root of penis, and it carries both urine and semen. And the third part is a penile urethra, and which is situated in penis and it carries both urine and semen. Accessory sex gland, in that seminal vesicles, semen and the prostate gland. Then the female reproductive system. The female reproductive system are divided into external and internal organ. In internal organ, the labia majora, there are the two folds which are form boundaries of the valve, and they are composed of the skin and the fibrous tissue and flaps also. And the second is the labia minora. These are the smaller and thinner leaf like fold located just medially to the labia majors. And the third is the mons pubis, and it is freshly elevation above the labia majora. The fourth is a hymen, and it is the thin layer of the mucous membrane. And the fifth one is a breast. And the internal genitalia in a female reproductive system is ovaries, fallopian tubes, ureters and vagina. In ovaries, a pair of the ovaries are the primary sex organ of the female reproductive system, and they are almond-shaped bodies, each measuring about 3 cm long and 1.5 cm wide and 1 cm thick. And ovaries produce ova and also female sex hormones, estrogen and progesterone. Then the second type is a fallopian tube. Fallopian tube, these are the pair of the tubes lying horizontally over the peritoneal cavity close to the ovary, and each fallopian tube is about 10 to 12 cm long and narrow and muscular structure lined by the ciliated epithelium. The third is uterus, and it is also known as a womb, and it is a pear shape and highly muscular or thick or hollow organ, and it is about 8 cm long and 5 cm wide and 2 cm thick, and it is differentiated into a dome shaped part above the opening of uterine tube is called a fundus, and the broad upper part called as a body or a carpus. And the third is the narrow cylindrical part called as cervix. Then fourth one is a vagina, and this is the highly collapsible and highly distensible fibrous muscular tube in which the curvy pubis opens, and it measures about 7.5 centimeter to 10 centimeter in length and highly acidic medium in vagina and prevents the infection by the fungus. Thank you everyone.